Are you searching for the best bandsaw? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best portable bandsaw for metal, wood, pipes, rebar in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, VEVOR Portable Bandsaw. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. Our 2103T1100W Portable Bandsaw. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. Portable Metal Bandsaw Machine, Model, BS85, Processing Capacity, 90-degree round steel 85mm, 3.3-inch, 90-degree square steel 85 105mm, 45-degree round steel 70mm, 45-degree square steel 65 75mm, sawing speed, 40-88 RPM, subblade specification, 13.0.65 1325mm, motor power, 1000 W, transmission mode, gear, packaging size, 69-31-46 cm, net weight, gross weight, 19.4 kilograms, 21.3 kilograms.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. VEVOR Portable Bandsaw for cutting stainless steel. The metal bandsaw features a powerful 10-amp motor with variable speed control for cutting unique materials and applications. Also, offering an LED sight indicates the cut line, ergonomic grip options, and an integrated hanging hook make your work easier. Huge cutting capacity, powerful motor, ergonomics design, simple operation, features details, huge cutting capacity. The cutting capacity of the bandsaw, powerful motor, 1100 W 10-amp powerful pure copper motor, designed with controlled power to withstand any job site application. Cutting speed, 137.8-472.4 feet/min, provides quick and smooth cutting with no sparks and burrs. Ergonomics design, superior balance allows for more accurate cuts. Ergonomic soft grip back handle provides comfort during use. The saw blade guard can be adjusted to protect the saw blade from jamming and secure without hurting your hands. Premium bimetal blade. Our cordless bandsaw possesses a high-quality bimetal blade. Tool-free blade changing lever loosens to allow for blade change, easy to disassemble, extensive use. This metal cutting bandsaw fits for cutting metal, steel, aluminum, and composite cable. Besides, it can be used for angle iron, PVC pipe, and any similar material. Number 5. BNTFLEX Band Sawing Machine Cutting Tools. Band Sawing Machine Hydraulic Cutting Tools, Semi-Automatic Metal Bandsaw Horizontal Band Sawing Machine 2.2 kW.